Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to donate on Twitch. So let's have a look now. First, we have to pick what channel or which streamer we want to support. Now go ahead and click on the channel. Donating or supporting a streamer is quite easy. All we need to do is scroll through their channel and we will find out donation panel. Now all you have to do is click on the funnel header. If they are using a service that allows them to accept tips, for example, Extreme Labs or Extreme Elements, you will have the option of creating a personalized message and you can type your name here. Put your donation amount, then click on Donate. It will redirect you to either a PayPal or credit card payment processing. That's it, send your support to your favorite streamer by clicking Submit It. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.